friends, I'm Saurav and welcome to the review of the new Vivaldi browser. If you go to vivaldi.com, you will see option known as download tech preview. That means it's a tech preview and the final version of the browser has not been released till now. But what is included in the tech preview, we'll have a look at it, and they include some new features in the final preview, but in the final version. But there are some cool things about this browser. There are some pros, some cons. I will explain you in this video, so have a look. The first thing is when you go to any website. Now for example, I'm going to Facebook, so the basic theme of the site will be the color of the tab. Now if you want one more example, let's hover to youtube.com. now as you all know, YouTube basic color theme is red, so the tab color changes to red. Now that's a very small thing, but I like the feature. I like that thing actually. The next thing is if you create a new tab, you will be seeing this speed dial. You can make a new folder. If you don't want it, you can remove it. That's pretty that simple. There are some bunch of options here, and here's a little option known as show panel. So if you click there, you'll be seeing some of the panels here. Now there's a bookmark, Vivaldi Mail. Now Vivaldi Mail is coming soon and it's not included in the tech preview, but they have promised us that they are going to include it in the final version. Now there are contacts, downloads, notes. You can make notes too, so that's a pretty cool feature. These are the features which are not included in the other browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. So now click again to make it disappear. So that's one thing. The other thing is that's a con actually. When you open any website that has a lot of graphics, it takes a lot of time to load. Now as you can see here, we are going to the community website of Vivaldi browser and it is taking hell lot of time to load. So that's one of the things which now I think they will improve it in the final version, because it's like the older Internet Explorer, same amount of time it is taking. So that's one of the things which has to be taken into consideration. Google's Chrome speed is pretty good, better than this. So if they have to come into competition with Google Chrome, they have to improve the speed as well. And one more complaint is when you are toggling to full screen, the worst thing about full screen is you can't access the address bar. You can't change the website. Now you're stuck. What do you have to do? You have to again go to normal windowed mode and you have to change the address. Now this address bar is not accessible when you are full screen. So that is one of the things they have to see, and they have to correct it in the final version. Otherwise, I don't know why they are giving the option of getting into full screen. So as I said, there are some bad things, there are some good things about this browser, but still it's a tech preview, so we are hoping that these things will get fixed in the final release version. So when the final version is going to be released, there is no specific date about it, but we're going to expect it pretty soon. So that's a basic thing about this browser. This browser is pretty cool. I think they are going to get competed with the Google Chrome, and they have to improve those things. Yeah, I've told it in the earlier in this video. I'm telling it again. If they want to get compete with the Google Chrome, they have to improve these features. They have to make everything picture perfect. They are also going to include mail, as I said, and they're going to include extensions as well. So now they are going to come along the Google Chrome. So I don't think according to me, currently the best browser is Google Chrome, but I think if Vivaldi is looking to come along with it, they have to improve this, and if they improve this, it will be one of the best browsers to use for now. So that's it from the video, guys. As you can try it out, you can download the tech preview, and that's it. Download it and check it out if you want to get hands on it, and wait for the final version if you want the stable version to come out. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you have a nice day ahead. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a good day. Bye.